हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द मैथ चैनल। हम लोगों ने पिछले वीडियो में कुछ क्वेश्चंस किए थे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के। आज हम उसी एक्सरसाइज को प्रोसीड करेंगे एंड वी विल स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। इफ 3 cot theta is equal to 2, find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 2 sin theta plus 6 cos theta. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 2 sin theta plus 6 cos theta, dividing the numerator and denominator by sin theta. So 4 sin theta upon sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon sin theta whole upon 2 sin theta upon sin theta plus 6 cos theta upon sin theta. So it will be 4 minus 3 cot theta upon 2 plus 6 cot theta. And cot theta की वैल्यू आपको दी गई है, that is 2 upon 3. So 4 minus 3 into 2 upon 3 plus 2 plus 6 into 2 upon 3. This 3 will be cancelled and here 4 minus 2 upon 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 upon 2 plus 4, that is 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. Next question, again same type of question. So a sin theta minus b cos theta upon a sin theta plus b cos theta. You have been given tan theta, that is sin theta upon cos theta. So you will be dividing the numerator and the denominator by cos theta. So a sin theta upon cos theta minus b cos theta upon cos theta whole upon a sin theta upon cos theta plus b cos theta upon cos theta. Next, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. It will be a tan theta minus b upon a tan theta plus b. Substitute the value of tan theta, that is a upon b minus b upon a into a upon b plus b. A square upon b minus b, a square upon b plus b. A square minus b square after taking LCM, here a square plus b square upon b. This b will be cancelled. A square minus b square upon a square plus b square is equal to RHS, hence proved. Next question, if sec theta is equal to 13 upon 5, so sec theta is equal to 13 upon 5, this is hypotenuse and this is base, or you can directly write cos theta as 1 upon sec theta, that is 5 upon 13. To find the value of sin theta, you require perpendicular. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. 13k square p square plus 5k square. 169k square p square plus 25k square. 169k square minus 25k square is equal to p square. So this is 144k square is equal to p square. P is equal to under root 144k square, that is 12k. Sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 12k upon 13k, that is 12 upon 13. Substituting the value in the given expression, 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. So we will be substituting the values. 2 into 12 upon 13 minus 3 into 5 upon 13 upon 4 into 12 upon 13 minus 9 into 5 upon 13. 24 upon 13 minus 15 upon 13 whole upon 48 minus 45 upon 13. 24 minus 15 will be what? See, दोनों LCM will be 13. So this is 9 upon 13 and this is 3 upon 13. So it will be 9 upon 13 into 13 upon 3. This is cancelled. Answer is 3. So hence proved. Cos theta is 12 upon 13. So cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13. This is base and this is hypotenuse. We'll be finding hypotenuse square is equal to p square plus b square. 13k square is equal to 12 p square plus 12k square. 169k square p square plus 144k square. So we can directly write this as 25k square. So p will be 5k. Now we require sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That will be 5 upon 13. And tan theta is perpendicular upon base. That is 5 upon 12. Now substituting the value in the left hand side, sin theta will be 5 upon 13 and 1 minus tan theta is 5 upon 12. So 5 upon 13, LCM is 12, 12 minus 5. 5 upon 13, 7 upon 12. 7 5 is 35 and 13 into 12 will be 156. So this is short. See next question, if tan theta is 1 upon root 7. So tan theta 1 upon root 7 means perpendicular upon base. So hypotenuse square will be k square plus under root 7k whole square. So this is k square plus 7k square. This is 8k square. Hypotenuse will be 2 root 2k. 8 can be written as 2 root. Now cosec theta will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So 2 root 2 upon 1 and sec theta will be hypotenuse upon base, that is 2 root 2 upon root 7. Substituting the value of cosec square theta minus sec square theta upon cosec square theta plus sec square theta. So this is 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 2 upon root 7 square whole upon 2 root 2 square plus 2 root 2 upon root 7 square. So this will be 8 minus 8 upon 7 whole upon 8 plus 8 upon 7. So LCM will be 7. 8 into 7 minus 8 whole upon 8 into 7 plus 8 upon 7. So this is 56 minus 8 upon 7 and this is 56 plus 8 upon 7. So 56 minus 8 is 48 upon 7 and this is 64 upon 7. So it is 48 upon 64. 8 6 are 48. 8 8 8 are 64. 2 3 are 6. 2 4 are 8. It is 3 upon. The sec theta is given to you as 5 upon 4. This is hypotenuse and this is base. So cos theta is just the reciprocal of it. It is 4 upon 5. Now, this is hypotenuse and this is base. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we'll get perpendicular as 3k. So sin theta will be, because 3 4 5 का ट्रिपलेट होता है, तो यहाँ आ जाएगा 25 और यहाँ पर 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9 and that is 3. So sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 3 upon 5, and tan theta will be perpendicular upon base, that is 3 upon 4. And cot theta is the reciprocal, so it is 4 upon 3. Now we'll substitute the value. Sin theta minus 2 cos theta upon tan theta minus cot theta. Sin theta is 3 upon 5 minus 2 into cos theta is 4 upon 5 whole upon 3 upon 4 minus 4 upon 3. LCM लेंगे इधर 5, 3 minus 8 upon 5 whole upon 9 minus 16 upon 12. This is the 12 will be the LCM in the denominator. तो यहाँ पर ही आ जाएगा. So this is minus 5 upon 5 whole upon minus 7 upon 12. So minus 5 upon 5 into minus 12 upon 7. ये तो cancel हो गया. Minus into minus plus. Answer is 12 upon 7. Again, same type of question. Cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Find the value of this. So cos theta 3 upon 5. This is base and this is hypotenuse. So perpendicular will be 4k. So sin theta will be 4 upon 5 and tan theta will be 4 upon 3. And 1 upon tan theta, that is cot theta, it will be 3 upon 4. So directly we will substitute the value. Sin theta is 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon tan theta is 3 upon 4 whole upon 2 into 4 upon 3. So we will solve this. This LCM will be 20. 16 minus 15 upon 20 and here it will be 8 upon 3. So this is 1 upon 20, 8 upon 3, 1 upon 20 multiplied by 3 upon 8. So this is 3 upon 160. See, figure is given to you. यहाँ पर this is required. So 13 square is equal to 12 square plus x square. So 169 minus 144 is equal to x square. So x will be equal to 5. So this is 5 centimeter. Now 10p. With respect to p, what is perpendicular? This will be perpendicular. RQ upon base will be PQ. That is 5 upon 12. And cot R. Cot R with respect to R. Perpendicular is 12 and base is 5. तो base upon perpendicular होता है. तो again RQ upon PQ. This will be 5 upon 12. Is tan P is equal to cot R? Yes. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So we'll make a triangle. A और B acute है, तो definitely C will be right angle. And with respect to A, अगर हम देखते हैं, तो cos A will be base upon hypotenuse, that will be AC upon AB. And with respect to B, अगर हम देखते हैं, तो base will be BC upon hypotenuse will be AB. And in the question it is given that cos A is equal to cos B. So we'll be substituting the value. So it can be only equal when this numerator will be equal. Denominator is already equal. So this implies AC is equal to BC. Means sides are equal. Sides are equal, it means it is an isosceles triangle and angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So we can write angle A is equal to angle B. See next question. In a triangle ABC, right angled at A. Triangle is right angled at A. So this is B and this is C. Tan C is being given to you as root 3. Root 3 means root 3 upon 1. Means with respect to C, perpendicular is root 3k and base is k. We'll find the value of hypotenuse, that will be p square plus b square, that is under root 3k whole square plus k square. So 3k square plus k square, that will be 4k square. So hypotenuse will be 2k. So this is 2k. Now sin B, with respect to this angle B, perpendicular is k and hypotenuse is 2k, that is 1 upon 2. Cos C, with respect to C, base is k and hypotenuse is 2k, that is 1 upon 2. Cos B, with respect to B, base is under root 3k and hypotenuse is 2k, that is under root 3 upon 2. And sin C will be under root 3k upon 2k, that is under root 3 upon 2. Now we'll substitute the values in the given expression. Sin B is 1 upon 2, cos C is 1 upon 2, cos B is root 3 upon 2, sin C is again root 3 upon 2. 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon 4, that is 1. See, we have to find out which one is true and which one is false, and then we have to justify the answer. So the first one, the value of tan A is always less than 1. No, the value of tan A can be greater than 1 also. We'll be learning in the next exercise. The value of tan A is root 3 for tan 60. That is greater than 1. So this one is false. Now sec A, 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. So here sec A is hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is the longest side. So it can be there. So it is true. Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. No, cos A is used for cosine. Cosecant के लिए cosec होता है. So it is again wrong. Next, cot A is the product of cot and A. No, it is incorrect. Cot A is a trigonometric ratio with respect to angle A. So it is not the product. False. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3. The value of sin theta and cos theta varies from -1 to 1 only. So this is greater than 1. So this is incorrect. See, sin theta is given to you as 12 upon 13. So we have done a lot many questions. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So base will be directly, you will be writing because 13, 12 and 5 is Pythagorean triplet. So 5k. Now cos theta will be 5 upon 30 and tan theta will be 12 upon 5. Substituting the value in the given expression, 12 upon 13 square minus 5 upon 13 square upon 2 into 12 upon 13 into 5 upon 13 into 1 upon 10 square theta. Here I will be solving for you. 1 upon 144 upon 25. So it is 25 upon 144. So 25 upon 144. So this is 144 upon 169 minus 25 upon 169 whole upon 120 upon 169 into 25 upon 140. 144 minus 25 will be 119 upon 169 into 169 upon 120 multiplied by 25 upon 144. This is cancelled and this is cancelled. So 119 into 5 upon 24 into 144, that is 595 upon 3456. See, after 18, 19 and 20th question are of same type. So if you require any help, you can drop a comment in the comment box. We are directly proceeding to question number 21. If 3 cos theta minus 4 sin theta is equal to 2 cos theta plus sin theta, then you have to find the value of tan theta. So it is just like an equation. So 3 cos theta minus 2 cos theta is equal to sin theta plus 4 sin theta. So this will be 5 sin theta and this is cos theta. So cos theta को हम इधर लेके जाएंगे. So this will be 1 5 upon 5 into sin theta upon cos theta, that is 5 tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So tan theta will be 1 upon 5. So the value of tan theta is 1 upon 5. So dear students, we have completed the first exercise, and if this video deserves a like, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.